In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix if you're not getting the verification code for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or really anywhere else here on an iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings on that iPhone and just go ahead and at the very bottom, search for messages, just like so, and open up that messages app to go to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is actually see this option for iMessage, go ahead and just tick it off and wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it on to refresh it. From here, what I recommend doing is actually scrolling down until you see the option for send as text message and just make sure this option is turned on so that when codes do arrive, they arrive as normal text. And also there's an option now as a part of the brand new iOS update for unknown senders. Turn off filter unknown senders so that codes from short numbers don't get automatically hidden. And from here, you can also go back to your messages app specifically, and you'll see a little filter option up at the very top. If you don't want to turn off that unknown filter section, you could just go into unknown senders and you could see all of it just like so. Now, the final step is pretty obvious. If you do have do not disturb turned on, go ahead and make sure do not disturb is turned off so that any notifications aren't silenced. If all else does fail though, just restart your phone and it should work again. After these steps, you should get your verification codes again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.